Today, we're gonna be reviewing HTVRONT's newest machine, the manual heat press. So first, I'm gonna just go ahead and start by unboxing this bad boy. Shout out to HTVRONT, who allowed me to be one of the first people to receive this machine. The first thing you see when you open up the box is the user manual for this heat press. I don't know if I just did that by opening up the box, but mine just opened up a little ripped up, but that's all good. It's all good. I'll put that off to the side. Take this plastic off, put on top of the plastic. Here's the control pad, and on the control pad, it allows you to control the temperature of one knob and the time. And this was actually a great feature they included in this manual heat press. It allows you to have a whole lot more flexibility. So this was pretty dope to include. And for the moment we all been waiting for, our heat press. This is HTVRONT's manual heat press. Yo, the way that they built this was beautiful. Nice sleek design, built with dimensions of 15 by 15. That allows you to have a wide variety of different projects you can use. T-shirts, you know, bigger canvases, tote bags, you know, all different types of things. It does have a swing away feature. Now their swing away actually swings all the way around, but of course you don't want to go too far because you do have this cord right here. You have cords that you don't want to get tangled. You don't want them to get messed up from you continuing to swing it around, but that is a cool feature. You can definitely swing it out the way when needed to, you know. And of course, yeah, you can see it coming all the way around. And that's a dope feature, just in case you need to measure your t-shirts, measure canvases, you know, as well as be able to fully use this canvas right here. Now it comes with a flexible pressure regulator that is right here at the top. And basically what that does, it allows you to get the exact pressure that you need when you're pressing different items, because of course you know that different items require different pressure. So yeah, when you turn it to the left, that picks up the machine. That allows it to decrease pressure, and you'll notice that by when you turn it to the left and you have it pressed down, you're still able to swing it if necessary. Now if you turn it to the right, that actually increases the pressure, and you'll notice that by not really being able to swing the heat press. And that's actually pretty dope. That's a feature that's needed in every heat press, and efficiency is key in the heat press, so that is definitely a plus when it comes to this one right here. And another thing I like about this heat press compared to the auto press, which I also did a review on, this heat press is actually not too big. You know, the auto press was huge. That joint was huge. And it can easily, you know, take up a lot of space. But this one right here is designed, the way it was designed, you can still have, you know, if I slide it over, you can still have enough room on your table or wherever you're doing work for other things. You know, it doesn't take up too much space. And of course, with that swing feature, you can still keep it out of harm's way. So that's a plus when it comes to family, keeping it out of the hands of your children, you know, just allowing it to still be in good condition. And that's what we like. That's something that we definitely want in a heat press. So we'll go ahead and actually get this heat press plugged up, prepped, and we're gonna go ahead and test this bad boy. All right, so you got your power cord right here, and I'll go ahead and plug that in. And then you also have your built-in USB cord right here, hiding in the back. Don't get nervous if you grab this and you cannot find the USB cord. It's just chilling in the back. And what this does, it connects to your control pad. So you'll just plug that in, just like that. Hit that power button, and it's literally that easy. So I'll place that down. Well, actually, before I place that down, we're gonna go ahead and set our temperature for the shirt we're getting ready to press. So what you'll do in order to set that temperature, you'll press the temperature, and I'm increasing it to 305 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll press it again. And what that does is just set the heat press temperature, and you'll just wait for, after you set that, you'll wait for that to, for your press to start heating up. And then this is your timer right here. Now, if you want to change the timer, all you have to do is just press it and just turn the knobs whichever way you want to go. We're gonna go, I'm gonna leave it at 20 seconds though. And once I leave it there, I'll press it again and set that. All right, so I'll place this to the side. We're gonna go ahead and grab our t-shirt. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just swing this out the way. This is a huge, oversized 2-panel t-shirt. And we'll go ahead and just get this pressed out a little bit. Our heat for the heat press actually finished heating up. Once it finishes heating up, it beeps and lets you know that it's ready. So we'll set that over here. I got my t-shirt right here. I'll swing it right back, and I'll go ahead and press it down just like this for about 3 to 5 seconds for my t-shirt. Get that warmed up. And now my design that I did is actually going like across the t-shirt, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prep the rest of this shirt.
A few moments later.
All right, so I'll grab my t-shirt again. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my design. All right, so I'm gonna move my design, move my t-shirt over, and get the first part pressed out. And we're just using regular easy weed. So I got it set to 305. I'm gonna press it out for 20 seconds. Normally you would use like parchment paper or some type of paper like that. I couldn't find it for the video, so we're just gonna go ahead and press this thing out. So when you're ready to press it out, what you'll go ahead and do is, I guess you can, yeah. So what I'll go ahead and do is press it down. Then in order to set the timer, you'll hold the timer button. Just like that, and it's counting down for you. So I'll set that off to the side, and it'll start beeping when the timer is done, just like that. I'll lift it up, swing it away, and I'll just transition my shirt, and I'm loving the way it's coming out already. Bring it over, and I think I'm gonna actually decrease some of this pressure. And we'll do that one more time. You'll hit the timer button, set it again, hit it, press down, hold it to start the timer again. Press that to the side. Timer is done. We'll swing that away. I'll come down here because I got a design at the bottom of my shirt. I'll get the bottom of my shirt ready. Grabbing that design, placing it at the bottom. And now we'll go ahead and get that pressed out. So I'll swing it back, set my timer again for 20, press it down, hold the button, set that timer. And it's an easy process. I really love the control pad. It makes it more convenient. I don't have to worry about the control getting in the way. It makes things a lot more flexible. Timer is done. We'll lift that up, swing it away, and then I have a design for the back, so I'll just turn that around. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that design. Place that down where I need it. All right. Setting that timer again. By this time, y'all should know how to set it. Setting it. Hitting it. We'll swing our press back around. Press down. Hold it. And you got that timer going. swing it around. And what I'll do is just reverse the shirt so I can get that bottom part pressed out. Swing that back around. Set that timer again. I feel like I'm setting the timer a million times. That's probably one of the cons, but not a huge con. But set that timer. Press that button. Make sure your thing is down. So I would say with this machine, after first use, one of the cons would just be having to repeatedly set the timer over and over, but that's not like a deal breaker. So I'll wait a couple seconds, I'll peel up the paper, and I'll show you the design. All right, and here is our finished t-shirt design. It actually came out really good. The press actually did a great job pressing, excuse me. You just have to make sure that you definitely utilize the pressure knobs, because I did have to do that a few times. And here's the back of the shirt. Yep. Definitely did a great job. All right, family, thank you for tuning in. Yo, if you're in the market for a good heat press, definitely recommend this HTVRONT heat press. It did above and beyond what I expected it to do. I'm actually excited to actually get into doing more t-shirts, doing more projects using this heat press. But yo, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, your family, anybody you know who's interested in the heat press, or anybody you know who's interested in furthering their Cricut business and doing Cricut projects, yo. But as always, keep applying pressure to life, because life has no boundaries. It's your boy, we out.